A customer recently pulled into a repair shop and confidently told the mechanic, "My car is running perfectly." The mechanic looked at the vehicle for less than 10 seconds and replied, "Actually, it isn't. No scanner, no test drive, no warning lights." And somehow, he already knew something was wrong. That sounds impossible, but experienced mechanics do this every day. After years of working on thousands of vehicles, they learn to spot tiny clues that most drivers completely miss. Clues that can reveal expensive repairs months before a breakdown happens. Today, we're exposing 5 hidden signs mechanics use to spot trouble almost instantly. The scary part? One of these signs may already be coming from your vehicle right now. And the final clue is so effective that many mechanics check it before they even open the hood. Let's get started. Number 5. The finger test. Most drivers have never seen. Imagine finding a suspension problem without lifting the vehicle. Most people think that's impossible. Mechanics don't. One of the first places many technicians look is the tire tread. But they're not checking how much tread is left. They're looking for a pattern. Many mechanics run their fingers across the surface of the tire, and within seconds they can feel things most drivers never notice. Tiny ridges, uneven wear, feathered edges, small clues that often point toward alignment issues, worn suspension components, or steering parts beginning to fail. The interesting part is that the vehicle often feels completely normal. No warning lights, no strange noises, nothing that seems urgent. Yet the tires are already exposing a hidden problem. And once mechanics see those clues, they know exactly where to investigate next. But the next sign doesn't require touching the vehicle at all. In fact, they can spot it while simply opening the door. Number 4, the clue hidden in the driver's door. Here's something most people never think about. When a mechanic opens your driver's door, they're often learning more than you realize. Does the door close smoothly? Does it sit perfectly aligned? Does it require extra force? These details matter because experienced technicians know that doors often reveal things owners don't. Previous accident repairs, structural damage, worn hinges, alignment issues. Sometimes the difference is incredibly small, a few millimeters, something most people would never notice. Yet mechanics spot it immediately, and when they do, they start paying much closer attention to the rest of the vehicle. Because if something seems off on the outside, there may be bigger surprises underneath. But the next clue is even more powerful because it only lasts a few seconds, and that's exactly why most drivers miss it. Number 3, the 2-second sound that predicts expensive repairs. Think about your morning routine. You start the car, turn on the radio, adjust the air conditioning, maybe connect your phone. Mechanics do something different. They listen, especially during the first few seconds after startup, because that's when some of the most expensive problems reveal themselves. A brief rattle, a metallic tick, a quick grinding sound. Sometimes it lasts only 2 seconds, then it disappears completely. The engine sounds perfectly normal afterward, so drivers ignore it. But mechanics know those 2 seconds can reveal timing chain wear, failing tensioners, lubrication problems, and other issues that can eventually lead to major repairs. The scary part? Many vehicles continue running for months after these sounds first appear, which creates a false sense of security. Owners assume everything is fine. Meanwhile, the problem continues getting worse. And that brings us to a clue mechanics often notice before the customer even finishes explaining the problem. Number 2, what mechanics watch. While you're talking, imagine bringing your vehicle into a repair shop. You're explaining a strange issue. Meanwhile, the mechanic isn't even looking at you. They're looking somewhere else. The tailpipe, because the exhaust often tells a story before diagnostics ever begin. A slight blue tint, heavy soot, unusual residue, small clues that most drivers never notice, but experienced mechanics notice immediately. Those signs can point toward oil consumption, fuel delivery issues, incomplete combustion, and other hidden problems. What's dangerous is how slowly these symptoms often develop. The vehicle still drives, still starts, still gets you where you need to go, So owners keep delaying inspections. Weeks become months, months become years. And by the time obvious symptoms appear, repair costs can be much higher than they would have been earlier. But even the tailpipe isn't the first place many mechanics look, because the number one clue is even faster, and it's probably sitting outside your house right now. Number 1. The clue most drivers walk past every day. Let's go back to the customer from the beginning of this video. How did the mechanic know something was wrong before opening the hood? In many cases, the answer is surprisingly simple. He looked at the ground, not for a huge puddle, not for an obvious leak, for tiny clues, a small oil drop, a faint coolant stain, a fresh mark that wasn't there before. Because experienced mechanics understand something most drivers don't. Major repairs rarely start as major problems. They start small. A tiny leak becomes a larger leak. Fluid levels slowly drop, heat increases, wear accelerates, and months later, the repair bill arrives. The owner is shocked, but the truth is that the vehicle was often giving warnings the entire time. Most people simply didn't know where to look. Mechanics do, and that's why they can spot expensive problems so quickly. The biggest advantage mechanics have isn't expensive equipment, it's observation. They know which small clues actually matter. A tire pattern, a door alignment issue, a startup noise, a tailpipe warning, a tiny spot on the ground. Individually, they seem insignificant. Together, they can reveal problems long before a warning light appears. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these mechanic secrets surprised you the most? And after watching this video, what's the first thing you're going to check on your own vehicle? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Engine Insight. Because in our next video, we're exposing the car sounds mechanics never ignore, and one of them might already be coming from your vehicle right now.